Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Dr. Razia. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our second lecture on the renal physiology. It is very important, and today we will discuss about the urine formation by the kidneys. Urine formation is a blood cleansing function. Normally about 1300 ml of blood enter the kidney. Kidney excrete the unwanted substances along with water from the blood as a urine. For this process of urine formation, there are many steps involved. The first step is the glomerular filtrations. So the glomerular filtration, when blood passes through the glomerular capillaries, the plasma is filtered in the Bowman capsule. This process is called as the glomerular filtration. Filtrate from the Bowman capsule passes through the tubular portion of the nephron. When it passes, it will undergo various changes both in quality and the quantity. Many unwanted substances like glucose, amino acid, water and electrolytes are reabsorbed from the tubules. This process is called as tubular reabsorption. So there are four steps that involve in the glomerular filtrations. So these are: number one, their filtration, number second is the reabsorptions, and number third is the secretion of many products or substances, and after all the excretion from the kidney. Basically these are the four major functions of the nephrons. So how the filtrate is formed? So these are the four major process: filtration, reabsorption, secretion and the excretion. So what is the filtration? This is the first step in the urine formations. When there is bulk transport of fluid from blood to kidney tubules, so that can be formed the isoosmotic filtrate. Blood cell and protein do not filtered, result of the hydraulic pressure. So normally the GFR is 180 liter per day. Process of glomerular filtration, where blood passes through the glomerular capillaries, the plasma is filtered into the Bowman capsule. All the substances of the plasma are filtered except the plasma protein. The filtered fluid is called as the glomerular filtrate. Glomerular filtration is called ultrafiltration because even the minute particles are filtered, but the plasma protein are not filtered due to their large molecular size. The protein molecules are larger than the filtrate pores present in the endothelium of the capillaries. Thus the glomerular filtrate contain all the substances present in the plasma except the plasma protein. So second step of the urine formation is the reabsorption process of returning filter material to the bloodstream. So 99% of what is filtered may involve transport proteins, and normally glucose is totally reabsorbed. And the third process is secretion. So material added to lumen of kidney from the blood through the active transport of toxins and foreign substances such as saccharine and the penicillin. And the excretion, this is the last step of the urine formation. So loss of fluid from the body in the form of urine. The amount of solute of excretion is equal to the amount filtered plus amount secreted and minus the amount reabsorbed. For all this process, so first of all you know about the glomerular filtration or the filtrate. The glomerular filtrate is collected in by the process of micropuncture techniques. This technique involves in insertion of a micropipette into the Bowman capsules and aspirate of filtrate. So first of all, you know about the glomerular filtration rate. So what is the glomerular filtration rate? The glomerular filtration rate is defined as the total quantity of the filtrate formed in all the nephron of both kidney is given unit of time. So normal GFR is 120 ml per minute or about 180 liter per day. The fluid that filtered through glomerulus in the Bowman space is called glomerular filtrate. The glomerular filtrate is same as plasma, but it has no RBCs and 0.03% of protein. The glomerular filtrate occur as fluid move across the glomerular capillaries in response to the glomerular hydrostatic pressure. The blood enter the glomerular capillaries, filter out of renal corpuscles. Large protein and cells stay behind. Everything else is filtered into nephron. Glomerular filtrate is a plasma-like fluid in the glomerulus. Filtration fraction is the fraction of renal plasma which become the filtrate. It is about the ratio between renal plasma flow and the glomerular filtration rate. It can expressed in a percentage. So normal filtration fraction from the 15 to 20%. Now for this purpose we will discuss about the filtration membrane. How the filtration membrane is formed. Filtration membrane is formed by three-layer glomerular capillary membrane, basement membrane and the visceral layer of the Bowman capsule. As you can see in this picture, the glomerular capillary membrane is formed by a single layer of endothelial cells which are attached to the basement membrane. The capillary membrane has many pores called fenestrae or the filtration pore with a diameter of 0.1 micron. The basement membrane of glomerular capillaries are the visceral layer of Bowman capsule. When fused together, the fused basement membrane separates the endothelium of the capillary and the endothelium of visceral layer of Bowman capsule. And the visceral layer of single layer of flattened epithelial cell resting on the basement membrane. Each cell is connected with the basement membrane by cytoplasmic extension called the pedicles or feet. Epithelial cell with pedicles are called as the podocytes. Pedicle interdigitate and leave small cleft-like spaces in between. The cleft space is called slits, pore or the filtration slit. The filtration take place through these slits or the pore. The process of glomerular filtration: when blood passes through the glomerular capillaries, the plasma is filtered in the Bowman capsule and then all the substances of plasma is filtered except the plasma proteins. So factor that determining the glomerular filterability are: number 1 is the molecular weight and number 2 the charge of the molecules. For example, you can see in this picture how the electric charge affect the filtration of different molecular weight dextron by the glomerulus. Dextrons are the polysaccharides that can be manufactured as neutral molecules with a negative or the positive charge. Note that for any given molecular radius, positively charged molecules are filtered much more than the negatively charged molecule. So neutral Dextrons are also filtered more readily than the negatively charged dextron. Of the equal molecular weight, the reason for this difference is the filterability is that the negative charge of basement membrane and the pseudoside provide important means for restricting large negatively charged molecule including the plasma proteins. So as you can see in this figure, the loss of negative charge on filtration barriers. In certain kidney diseases, the negative charge on the basement membrane are lost even before there are noticeable changes in the kidney histology. A condition referred to as minimal charge nephropathy. The cause for this loss of negative charge is still unclear but is believed to be related to an immunological response with abnormal T cell secretions of the cytokine that reduce aniline in the glomerular capillaries or the pseudoside protein. As a result of this loss of negative charge on the basement membrane, some of the lower molecular weight protein, especially the albumins, are filtered and appear in the urine, a condition known as proteinuria or the albuminuria. So minimal change nephropathy is most common in young children but can also occur in the adults, especially in those who have the autoimmune disorder. Now you can see the filterability of substances by the glomerular capillary based molecular weight in this table. List the effect of molecular size on filterability of different molecule. A filterability of 1 means that the substance is filtered as freely as water, whereas filterability of 0.75 means that the substance is filtered only 75%. As you can see, the urea that is filtered 100%, but in case of the myoglobulin which have a filterability of 0.75, that the substance is filtered only 75% as rapidly as the water. Note the electrolytes such as sodium and small organic compounds such as glucose are freely filtered and the molecule weight of the molecule approaches that of the albumin. The filterability rapidly decreases, approaches to the zero. So these are all about the GFR and the glomerular filtration, which is the first step of the renal formation or the urine formation by the kidney. So in our next class we will discuss the reabsorptions and secretions. I hope you will understand my today's lectures. Thank you.